Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this question, given data is, that is, first I will draw the figure to explain the given data. So in the question it is saying that there is a horizontal frictionless horizontal surface, and on this surface there is a spring, and spring constant is given, that is K. And in the question it is saying that this spring is initially stretched by x naught, and this spring is attached by both sides, that is having two block. So first block mass is given, that is m1, and second block mass is given, that is m2. So now in the question it is saying that the spring is now released, so that what happening is, I will draw the second case in the figure, that is after releasing the spring, then block is going towards the spring. That means I can say that this first block, which is initially present here, will move x1 towards right, and this second block, which initially is present here, after releasing move towards left with distance considering, that is x2, and the spring having stretching value, that is x0. So now you can see that, and they after it moving their distance respectively, they come to again rest. So this is a new case of blocks by traveling their distance x1 and x2 when the spring is released. So now in the question it is saying that find the distance moved by both blocks before they again come to rest. So I can say that here we have to find the value of x1 and x2. So now let's start answering this question. So in the answer I can say that there is a no external force is acting in the horizontal direction, so it will be written as, by concept of center of mass, as I can say that m1 x1 will be equal to m2 x2. So I had get a equation, that is m1 x2 m1 x1 is equal to m2 x2. So this is equation number 1. Now next step is, here I can say that the energy is conserved in spring, so the result will be written as, by using the law of conservation of energy, so I can say that half k x square x naught square is equal to half k parenthesis of x1 plus x2 minus x naught square, where x naught is in the question given, that is sorry here next step is simplify it by dividing by half k to both sides, so it will be written as that is x naught square is equal to x1 plus x2 minus x naught whole square. Now take a square root on the both side, so final result will be, and simplify it, then final result is that is x1 plus x2 is equal to 2x naught. So this is a equation number 2. So now next step is use this equation number 2 and put the value of x1 in equation number 1. So I can say that from equation number 2 put the value of x1 in equation number 1, so it will be written as that is m1 x1, that means m1 multiplied by x1 will be that is 2x naught minus x2 is equal to m2 x2. So now simplify it, then I will get the value of x2 in term of x naught, that is equal to 2m2 over m1 plus m2 multiplied by x naught. So this is the distance which is traveled by second block. And now similarly next step is put the value of x2 in this equation number 2, so that I will get the value of x1, that is I can say that 2m2 over m1 plus m2 times of x naught. So sorry x2 will be that is here, after solving I will get that is x2 is equal to 2 times of m1 x naught over m1 plus m2. So and x1 will be written as that is 2 times of m2 x naught divided by m1 plus m2. So I can say that the conclusion is that is distance moved by first block is that is x1 is equal to 2m2 divided by m1 plus m2 multiplied by x naught, and similarly distance moved by second block before coming to rest, that is equal to x2 is equal to 2m1 divided by m1 plus m2 multiplied by x naught. So hence I had solved the question completely. So this is the answer. Thank you.